Getting ready to hit a bus tour on a flip we just got done with. We're gonna show you guys the numbers, the rehab. We're taking our whole crew with us on a bus. And stay tuned, because we're gonna take you cradle to grave through the property, through the numbers. Do groups of 7 or 8 at a time. If you're taking a group. Hey, so we just got here. We just came from our office in Virginia. We're doing a quick property tour. We brought our whole team with us. We're in Towson, Maryland. We've been in this deal only 27 days and we're already done. It's gonna be on the market within 2 days. And we're gonna walk all of our students through our property. So join us, ask questions, and thank you for joining us on this video. So the team just did the exterior walkthrough of our flip. Now we've got everyone inside. We're gonna show them the finishes, the kitchen, the bathrooms, all the work that we did to improve this property, and then have a little Q&A inside, so join us. So me and Erica, we got together and we were like, hey, how can we provide that much more value? And so we created a business model that once people have learned and know things logically, a way for them to actually be in deals and be in the whole flip process. So we just got done with our property tour. We covered what our team does, we covered numbers, we covered everything from cradle to grave of actually doing a fix up. We also covered how people can participate in deals with us, learn and grow and kind of collaborate. If you didn't make it to this one, we highly recommend you come to our office, you find out more about the DC Stars team, hands-on real estate, the different companies that are working together in what we call a real estate investing ecosystem. Just plug in. My name is Mayor Hawk. I look forward to seeing you at the next property tour.